just had a really stupid idea. I remembered I have a bunch of cones and now I actually have circular exhaust tips. So I'm gonna move the car right there and gonna do something dumb. Yeah, my radio just says that now. I'm gonna replace it. Cold start. It's running a little rough because I've put injector cleaner through the tank. I've randomly got a squad of deer following me. What are you looking at? Huh? So this is either gonna sound awesome or terrible. Now that's what I call a high power exhaust system. All right, here it goes.